Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. What is the WhatsApp number for NBKC? I know that a lot of people are looking for the WhatsApp number for NBKC because they want to be able to contact the bank directly. However, I'm not going to be able to provide you with that information. Instead, I'm going to share some other ways that you can contact NBKC. What is NBKC? Before I get into the ways that you can contact NBKC, I want to take a moment to talk about what NBKC is. NBKC is a Nigerian bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. NBKC is also a member of the Nigeria Interbank Settlement System, NIBSS, which means that you can use your NBKC debit card at any ATM in Nigeria. Why is it important to contact NBKC? There are a number of reasons why you might want to contact NBKC. For example, you might need to open a new bank account, deposit or withdraw money, apply for a loan, report a lost or stolen debit card, get help with a banking problem. How can you contact NBKC? There are a number of ways that you can contact NBKC. Here are a few of the most common methods. Phone. You can call NBKC's customer service hotline at 0818-988-8888. Email. You can email NBKC at email-protected. Website. You can visit NBKC's website and use the contact form to submit a question or request. Social media. You can connect with NBKC on social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for contacting NBKC. Be sure to have your account number and other relevant information ready when you contact NBKC. Be patient. It may take some time for NBKC to respond to your inquiry. Be polite and respectful when you speak to NBKC representatives. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time, ****.